friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Moonshot's Yoo In-Na's Limited Edition lipstick named Honey Coverlet Stick Extreme, which is also loved by BLACKPINK's Lisa. It comes in 7 blur and 3 glossy colors, and yes, I'm announcing the giveaway in the end, so stay tuned. Now let's start the review. I bought 3 blurs and 1 glossy color, and I will be giving away 1 color of your choice. So do follow the rules when you participate. So first color is Actress from Glossy Edition. The packaging is very jungle themed inspired. I love the color combo. So all these lipsticks are formulated with Muru Muru seed butter and moisturizing lip essence, which forms a protective barrier to keep lips hydrated. The glossy version contains shea butter and hibiscus extract rich in vitamin C for a dewy, lively look. The lipstick packaging is soft matte that feels luxurious, and colors are mentioned at the bottom of it. Love the italic text on it. When you first see this lipstick, Actress, it has a deep dark red color which is shining. The color is buildable and not drying at all, and I love buildable lipsticks. Upon applying, Actress gives a very chic look. I love the softness it has to it, even though it's a dark color. Now comes the Blur lipsticks. Blur lipstick gives opaque soft focus effect with velvety feel. It claims matte version contain embossing powder to smooth fine lines and enhance adherence for a long lasting look. The best part is that these lipsticks don't enhance your outline or inner lines of the lips, which I love. Packaging of Blur and glossy type is almost same. Now Takeoff is a matte beige peach color. Love its nude color that enhances the beauty of lips and doesn't make my small lips ugly. I have never found a lipstick like that before because my lips are uneven and small, so it's hard to even outline. Now Peach Hip is a peach colored color, and the color is so beautiful, and let me tell you, these are not your average lipsticks. These colors are really long lasting. Rodeo Rose is a very rouge pink color. The colors are fantastic and long lasting, doesn't dries my lips and don't even define the lines on my lips. I will rate it 5 by 5. Now on to the giveaway. Now these are the rules, please do follow it, and best of luck. This is me Leneha Junsu signing off. Bye. Yes, do share it with your friends. Bye.